Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I have a tricky maths puzzle for you. And the question is, if 27 raised to power a minus 1 is equal to 3, and 4 raised to power a plus b is equal to 64, find b. So we are asked to look for the value of b in this question. Now, can you find b before I reveal the answer? Okay, let's try this out together. So first of all, we are going to have solution. Now to find the value of b, we need to begin with the first equation, which is 27 raised to power a minus 1 is equal to 3. So here I have 27 raised to power a minus 1, and this is equal to 3. Now, we will use this equation to get the value of a. This 27 here can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3. So here I'm going to have 3 raised to power 3 and is raised to power a minus 1, and this is equal to 3. Now this 3 we have here is the same thing as 3 raised to power 1. Okay? 3 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 3. So but we have to leave it this way because the 3 we have here has an exponent. Okay? So I'm going to multiply this out, this exponent, I'm going to multiply it out. So I'm going to have 3. 3 times a is 3a. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. And this is equal to 3 raised to power 1. Now, because the bases are the same, according to the law of indices, we can equate the powers. So here we have 3a minus 3 is now equal to 1. So I've taken the powers. Now, we have to move this minus 3 to this side because what we are looking for is the value of a. Okay, so let me put it this way. So here I have 3a is now equal to 1 plus 3. When minus 3 crosses over to this side, it becomes plus 3. So now I have 3a is equal to 4. Now I need to divide both sides by the coefficient of a, which is 3, because I need the value of a. So I'm going to have here, this is over a, divide here by 3 and also divide here by 3. This and this will go. So my a is now equal to 4 over 3. Now, this is not what we are looking for. We are looking for the value of b. So we are going to substitute this value of a in the second equation to get the value of b. Okay, so let's treat the second equation. So here we have 4 raised to power a plus b, and this is equal to 64. Now, 64 can be expressed as 4 raised to power 3. So here we have 4 raised to power a plus b is now equal to 4 raised to power 3. Now, 4 raised to power 3 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Now, because the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So we have here, this is now a plus b, and this is equal to 3. Now, this is when we can apply the substitution method. We are going to substitute the value of a into this equation and then use it to look for the value of b. So wherever I see a, I'm going to substitute 4 over 3. So here I have 4 over 3 plus b, and this is equal to 3. Now, I need the value of b, so I have to move this fraction over to this side. So if I move this fraction over there, I'm going to have b is now equal to 3. Here is plus, so if it crosses over, it becomes minus. 3 minus 4 over 3. And then this is going to give us b is now equal to, let's get the LCM, is 3. Okay. So 3, there's 1 here, an invisible 1. So 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. In this case, minus 4. So here, b is equal to 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 over 3. We can write this in this form. This is going to be 1 whole number 2 over 3. And this is our value of b. Okay, let's check if our answer is correct. Now we can use either this equation or this one to check if our answer for the value of a and b is correct. So let's use this equation we have here to check. Okay, so let's use a plus b is equal to 3 to check if the value of a and b is correct. Now, if they are correct, the value of a and b will equate to 3, to be equal to 3. So here we had a as 4 over 3. So a here 4 over 3. And at b we had 5 over 3 plus 5 over 3. Okay, and this is equal to 3. So let's check. The common denominator here is 3. And then we have 4 plus 5 equal to 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 over 3. Is this equal to 3? So 9 divided by 3 is 3, and this is equal to 3. So our answers are all correct. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment. I will see you in my next video. Do not fail to subscribe if you have not done so. Bye.